Hi, my name is David Campbell, and today I'm going to demonstrate creating a SQL Server login in SQL Server 2005. Our first step, we just want to go make sure Object Explorer is open. We're going to click on Security, Logins. We click on that, and then right-click, New Login. Okay, so we can actually search for a login, or we can create one. So user test will be caps. Will be our login name. We could have Windows authentication or SQL authentication, and we're just going to use a regular, really cheap password. So just 123. We can actually enforce password policy, enforce password encryption, and user must change password at next login. And map to a certificate. We're not going to mess with that. Our default database, we can actually choose what database we want it. So we'll just put it on test. Default language, we can have whatever. It's set to English. So we'll hit OK. Let this execute. No, it does not meet Windows policy exactly. It's just 123. It's way too short, but we're just going to keep on moving along on this demonstration. Server roles. We can actually define the roles that we want to use on this login or this user. System administrator, server administrator, user mapping. Where do we want to map it to? Do we want to map it to this database or this database? Which, let's see. And it just kind of died on me. Just one moment. There we go. So we'll just keep it on test. Securable. We can add some objects. All objects of these types. This from the server specific objects. And then we'll just logins, endpoint, servers. I find this GUI a little bit more flexible. Oh, I can't say too much flexible, but a little bit more easier to set up than a command line. It more or less is pretty simple and forward, and you know exactly where you're clicking on, and you don't have to worry about any type of errors or just misspellings. Settings, permissions to connect to database engine, grant, deny, login, enable, disabled, and so forth. Really simple, but we're going to hit cancel because I've got a very short password. And this actually concludes creating a SQL Server login. Thank you and have a great day.